Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I've got a mail day of some Kraken cards I got, as well as some Sue Bird cards. So, first up, Jesper Froden. This is from the IIHF Hockey Championships. He doesn't have any cards in Upper Deck yet, but he played a couple games there during the regular season. Next up, we got Hap Holmes. This is from the same set that I got the other four, so these are all the Hall of Famers that appeared for the Seattle Metropolitans. It's a bit off center, but these don't come up very often. I might send it to get slabbed at some point. And then the last Seattle hockey card is Shane Wright. This is KSA, is kind of like the Canadian grading company. You can see by the maple leaf, but this is his first ever card, and it's an on-card auto that's been verified by KSA. He only has a couple autographed cards out there, and they're all from the Canadian national team sets, and they're just crazy expensive. I was able to get this for about 20 bucks or so, as opposed to the 300 or so that the Canadian hockey team ones are going for. Next up, this is a 2007 Press Pass Legend Sue Bird, serial numbered at a $4.99. Got this for about $1, so I can't really complain about that. Next up, this is a 2003, it's a second year card with a game-worn jersey on it of Sue Bird. I kind of just pick these up whenever they're at a reasonable price. And then these next two are what I'm really excited about. So one that I already have is this PSA card. So I've got the 2002 UCONN card, but there's two other cards that she had when she was in college. And the first one is in this sealed pack. And this is the year following the one I just showed in the slab, so 2000-2001. She's somewhere in here. It's kind of interesting how they sealed these packs, but got this for less than $100. And this last one, this pack has her first ever cards. This is from the 1998-1999 season of college. I'm planning on opening these and then getting the Sue Bird card out of them and sending it to PSA, since they can go for a couple $100 in 9s or 10s. This one right here from 2001-2002 also has Diana Taurasi's first ever card. So that's one that I think is worth getting sent in also. So wish me luck opening these seals. Okay, let's see if we can get these out without doing any damage. Cool, looks like I avoided the corners on that. And Sue Bird's the second one. Looks pretty clean. Definitely off center left to right, but I've seen some 1s and 9s that are a little bit off center. See if there's any other ones that are worth sending out. Swing cash, definitely. There's the Diana Taurasi. Awesome. Now let's try it for this older one. This font is really hard to read. There he goes. And here's another swing cache. This one, once again, looks off center, left to right. I was gonna say it looks pretty consistent throughout all of them. Maybe they might overlook that in PSA, but once again, I'd be fine with it getting a 8, 8.5 or 9. I think she looks like such a baby in that photo. Anyway, here we go. Send these off to PSA at some point. Thanks for watching.